Welcome to my discussion. In this video, we'll be discussing a crucial topic, the crisis management plan for earthquake. For introduction, this plan outlines procedures for responding to an earthquake to minimize impact on people, property, and operations. So second is the emergency response team that are composed of emergency response coordinator that is manage the response, activates, plan, coordinates team, communicates, and decide. So second is the security. It ensures safety, conducts patrols, secures perimeter, assesses evacuation, and provides escorts. So third is the facilities management. It assesses damage, ensures safety and functionality, shuts off utilities if needed, inspects for damage, clears debris, and restores services. Next is the human resources. It supports employees and families, establishes communication plan, offers counseling, assesses relocation, and manage returns to work. Last is the communications. Communicates with stakeholders, develops and disseminates emergency messages, manage media, monitor social media, and coordinates messaging. So next is the earthquake response procedure. So it includes earthquake response, evacuation, medical response, search and rescue. Last is the damage assessment and recovery. Fourth is the training and exercises that it includes the emergency response training. All employees will receive basic emergency response training, including how to respond to an earthquake, how to evacuate the premises safely, and how to provide first aid and medical assistance. So second is the evacuation drills. So evacuation drills will be conducted on a regular basis to ensure that all employees are familiar with the evacuation procedure and are able to evacuate the premises safely and quickly in the event of emergency. And in the tabletop exercises will be conducted on a regular basis to test the effectiveness of the emergency response plan and to identify any areas for improvement. So next is the communication plan. First is the internal communication. So in internal communication, it used email, text, and intranet to talk to employees during the crisis. Keep them updated. And second is the external communication, used to website, social media, and media to talk the customer, suppliers, and others, and have a media plan and work with local responders to coordinate. Last, in crisis management plan for earthquake is the review and update. So first is the annual review. To review the crisis management plan on an annual basis to ensure that it remains up to date and reflects any changes in the organization's operations or the external environment. So in after action review, it's conduct an after action review after each exercise or incident to evaluate the effectiveness of the response and to identify any areas for improvement. Use the results of the after action review to update the crisis management plan and to improve the organization's response capabilities. So this crisis management plan provides a framework for responding to an earthquake. By following the procedure and responsibilities outlined in this plan, the organization can minimize the impact of the earthquake on people, property, and operations and ensure the safety and well-being of all individuals involved.